Hey folks, Gary Weems, General Manager, Doggett Toyota. Today we're going over the 70 Series Generation 3 2024 Toyota Tundra. This is my personal build, and I'll tell you why I'm doing the SR in a moment. And this is stage one of many stages to come on this vehicle. So, first of all, here's how the truck comes stock from the factory. This is a 2024 SR Tundra. I went with the SR because a lot of the things I'm going to put on here, I don't want to have to take off and get rid of, like the nice rims, the running boards, all that. I also don't like the chrome. That's just me personally. And if you want to buy a Tundra without chrome, you got two choices: the SR or the Limited. And the base MSRP, is $45,014 on the SR and $56,905 on the Limited. So that's a savings of about $11,890 from the top before you start adding stuff. Okay. So here it is. We'll walk around here, James, with me. This is the SR from the factory. They all come with power windows, locks, cruise, CarPlay, navigation, all that good stuff. And again, I'm fine with these wheels because I'm taking them off. I'm fine with no running boards because I'm taking it off. So that's why I went with this particular model. Other things people are going to ask about: the horsepower. It's a 31 horsepower difference between the other model and the SR. And it does have a 10-gallon difference in the tank. You go from a 32-gallon tank to a 22.5. You sacrifice a little bit of towing, about 2,800 pounds. You go from 11.1 to 8,300, which I'm fine with because I'm putting stuff on the truck, and that's where the payload comes into play. This actually has about 80 pounds more payload than the Limited. All right, so let's talk about this one, what we've done with this one. So on this one, and I'm going to go ahead and hold this to you real quick. Sorry about that. We've done the Toyota TRD Lift from the manufacturer. That's a 3-inch lift. We've put on it method wheels. That has a built-in offset from the manufacturer wheel company. We're running 35s on it. Went with that wheel because you can air up and air down on it. You do get slight rub on the stabilizer bar, but that's not a big deal to me. We're running CBI sliders on it right now. And like I said, it's just probably the most undervalued Tundra that Toyota makes currently. A lot of people are like, oh, it's a work truck. It's not your daddy's work truck. It's got cloth seats, it's got nav, it's got cruise, it's got everything you want. When I started with Toyota, the T100s were vinyl seats, vinyl floors, and you were lucky to get an air conditioner. That was a work truck. This is a nice truck. You want to walk around it, James? Still got remote start on the app from Toyota. You've got the keyless remote with tailgate down, which next week you'll find out why that doesn't matter, because I'm taking the entire bed off of this thing, amongst other things. Like I said, this is my personal build. This is stage one of many to come. We'll have another video next week when we take off the bed, put the tray canopy out of South Africa on it, and we're going to be running the Iron Man bumper out of Australia on it as well. We'll have that next week. So between now and then, let us know. If this is something you want to do to your truck, give us a holler. Doggett Toyota. Ask for James. Thank you.